All right, welcome. In today's teaching, we'll be discussing why some YouTubers fail. It's important because it will prepare you if you are still hustling to come up on the platform so that you don't end up failing like them. All right, so it's a very important topic. Number one reason why some YouTubers fail is poor information. Yes, some are not grounded in information before they came into the system. Some have been living based on what they hear from others before they joined. All right. So there are some fake informations out there that will tell you once you start YouTube, you start making a lot of money within few weeks. So some of them came with that mindset to YouTube to come and make a lot of money, but are surprised after 1 month or 2 months that nothing is happening on the channel. So poor information is the basic reason why some fail. And some believe that if they don't cue into a particular thing that somebody somewhere is saying because he wants to sell his course, maybe the person will tell you in 1 month, in 3 months, you are making a lot of money from YouTube. Once you buy this course, I will give you all the tricks. And when they buy the course at the end and apply it, they find out that this is not working for me. And because of that, they quitted without knowing that the young man or the young lady that was telling them all those things just wanted to sell his courses. And because of that, he ended up lying to them. So, poor information is the number one reason why people fail on YouTube. Okay, so it's left for you to sit down, make some researches on this platform to understand what is really the truth. And that's the first step you have to take to start succeeding. A lot of information out there is false. Some will tell you in 6 months you have started making $500, but it's not like that. So it's fake information, but information that makes some people fail. So if you get the right information, you know that YouTube is not a get quick rich system. Then you have to exercise patience for at least 2 years before you talk about monetization, or maybe a year and 8 months. You know that it takes time. That's the main thing there. It takes time. So if you have this kind of information, you will not fail. But people that don't have this kind of information, they end up falling within a short time and starting a YouTube channel. Number two reason why some YouTubers fail is due to laziness. Yes. Laziness can come in different forms. If you're a lazy person, you can't run a YouTube channel. That's the truth. Because on YouTube, you learn how to edit, you learn how to build your thumbnail, you learn from experts. So it takes time. You learn from experts. Then before you start creating your video. And when you are creating your video, you learn some things you don't know to have to add as your own video content. Just like this morning, maybe I want to create a video on how to use the laptop or Windows 12 laptop, though it has not come out with this 10 operating system. And if I don't know that, I will watch some videos to learn and teach others. You get the gist. So, but somebody that is lazy will be like, why will I have the time to learn how to edit, how to create thumbnail? After learning how to create thumbnail, I will learn how to a video that I have to create. Learn the skill, all right, which after I will create for the people to do what? To learn from my own. It's a lot of work. So a lazy person will say, I don't want to do this. I can't do this. I see the person ending up leaving the system. So if you're a lazy person, you have to push that spirit of laziness away for you to succeed here. Otherwise, you create a YouTube channel and after 3 months or 2 months or even few weeks, you end up leaving. Some will be like, oh shit, when will I have the time to start creating this video? Video creation is difficult. They keep on procrastinating. And at the end, we tell you, bro, I just quitted YouTube because I don't have the strength for that. So a less person cannot run a YouTube channel. Take it from me. I'm telling it to you for free. All right. Okay. The reason number three why some YouTubers fail is poor views and engagement. All right. Yeah. It can be demoralizing if you don't get much views. Okay, somebody sometimes say that new YouTubers are getting depressed because of poor views. But I want to tell you here, it is happening right now. It has started. It started since second half of 22 of December 2024 till now February. Today is February 4th. So It's still happening. It's still happening. So it's normal. It's part of the system. And at a point, if you don't understand it, you may feel like this is going to continue like this and you quit. But it's not going to continue forever. So sometimes YouTube still push a video. It can't survive. I've seen it. Lows, down, all right? Lows, okay, lows and up, lows and up. It goes like that. So when they still feel like, okay, it's time to push these videos, they'll push up videos, they start getting videos. Sometimes it still drop. So low views can make people and engagement can make people to quit, but I'm telling you not to quit because at a point when you are established, you will see that those things becomes part of the system and it doesn't stop you from making money, no matter how small it is. Okay, so that's another reason why some YouTubers fail in the system. Okay, the next point is inability to learn and apply. Yes, this is key. Inability to learn and apply. Sometimes there are some things I may be like, I don't know, let me learn it. I will just sit down, maybe for straight 2 hours. I'm learning it to know how to apply it. All right. Maybe I'm talking about how to structure title, how to make your titles rank in SEO, search engine optimization, and I'm learning it. Okay, it takes time, but some people will be like, some lazy people will be like YouTubers will be like, I don't have time to start learning all these things. So if you're not ready to learn here and apply at the same time, what works, how YouTube works, how to rank, how to get your videos out to more eyeballs, you will fail in the system. That's number two. That's another reason. I think it's number three of the points, or number four, why some YouTubers fail. So some are lazy to learn, some don't want to learn, so don't want to sit down and learn. And after learning, they apply it. I did a video in my other channel on how to use OBS Studio. I found it difficult initially on how to use that program. So at a point, I wanted to learn. I procrastinated. I shifted it until sometime last week. I said, no, I must learn this and apply it. Then I learned it and it was easy. All right. I learned it. And then after that, I created a video on that for my other YouTube channel. And the video is getting a lot of views now. So if you can be able to learn and apply, you will win. All right. But if you cannot, you will lose out from the game. Then the next reason why some YouTubers fail is because of stagnation. Stagnation, inability to move, or just feeling so comfortable in just one place. Some people don't want to move their body, don't want to be dynamic in the system. Yes, stagnation. You want to be just that thing I know. That is what I want to be applying. I don't want to learn something new again. I don't want to, see if I can apply some tricks today if it will work. Stagnation kills YouTubers so quickly. Okay, I'll give you an example. I started a YouTube channel sometime, I think it was on August, be September, December, no, November, December. That was last year in 2024. So when I started that YouTube channel, my intention was to just create videos on insurance because I have over 6 years of experience in insurance. So I need to be creating videos on some insurance products, how to manage insurance products, what you need to know before buying any insurance product, how insurance salesperson work, all right? What you need to know, some things about insurance, life insurance and non-life and the rest. So along the line, I found out that after creating about 10 videos in this area, they were not getting any views. They were not getting much views actually, not that they were not getting views, but the views were poor. What did I do? I asked myself, what do you need to do to make this move? I made some researches, and after everything, I still found out that after applying it, nothing was going on. And what did I do? I said, okay, let me integrate, let me bring in tech into it. Then I started teaching software. So those software videos were getting views. And sometimes after people watch the software videos, they were recommended. The insurance was recommended. We are recommended insurance videos. We are recommended to them, and they watch them too. You see that? So because I didn't want to be stagnant, all right, I had to move a little to bring in something else that may push some videos. So now I do insurance and tech in that channel. So learn how to move sometimes when some things are not working. You may need to change your style, you may need to change your content. Nobody says that you must stick to one niche on YouTube, okay? So if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button. All right, hit the like button and want to point stuff like this. I'll leave a comment in the comment section. Let me hear what you have to say about this. Sorry about the rush, please. Okay, so you can watch this video here to learn more tips on how to succeed on YouTube. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.